Hello everyone, I'm Vanshika Bhoguna and today I'm going to tell you some tips that how can you immerse yourself in English. First, practice. Dedicate time each day for learning, speaking and reading in English. Second, read. You have to do reading in English. Means for that what you can do, you can read books, you can read magazines, you can read novels in English. After that what will happen, your knowledge will also increase, means you will gain some knowledge and also you can immerse yourself in English. Third, listening. Mostly people like to listen music, so what you can do, you can listen music in English. After that what will happen, you will get to know accent, that in which accent those English songs are, and you will learn a good accent and also you will get to know some new vocabularies. Fourth, guide. For speaking English or for immersing yourself in English, what you can do, you can join some English clubs and English institution. After that what will happen, you will get environment, a good environment there where you can speak English freely, and if you will do any errors they will definitely make you correct. Fifth, apps. There are many apps in our mobile phones which teach English. So you can use those apps for learning English more perfectly instead of playing games in mobile phone. So before skipping this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.